Why do 100% of sneezes outpace hurricanes? Yep, you heard that right. When you sneeze, those tiny droplets can shoot out at speeds over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than the winds of a Category 1 hurricane. It's like having a storm in your nose. Now imagine if sneezes could power wind turbines. We'd be generating electricity with every achoo. But don't worry, you don't need to start bottling your sneezes just yet. So next time you let out a big sneeze, remember you're basically a human wind machine. So stay curious and keep those sneezes covered.